Hello everyone, let's learn how we can create a 7-day trend as a Sparkline in Microsoft Excel. What is the meaning of 7-day trend? It means whatever the data is there, once it is updated also, the Microsoft Excel will pick up the last 7 days and show the trend as a Sparkline over here, right? If you insert the Sparkline over here, take an example, insert Sparkline line, and I'm inserting over here, okay, and markers. The moment I do some modifications, take an example, instead of 15 I have given as 16 over here. At the same time I have written some data, so it has not been picked up, right? Number one. Second, if you see the graphical representation over here, it has been taken all the data right from 1 to 16, but I want the last 7-day data need to be represented over here so that I can do some calculations, or on the base of that I can take a decisions. For that we are going to utilize this formula. What this formula says about, I'm explaining this one first, then I'll show how exactly you can utilize this formula in Sparklines to show 7-day trends. If I'm using the formula over here, take an example, equal to offset. Offset has got reference, rows, column, height and width. In reference means from where you wanted to start the calculations. Take an example, from here I want to start the calculations. Then comma, rows, how many rows you want to count, right? After how many rows you want to count. So take an example, 7 over here. Then column, I want to give 0 and I want to count 7, and it should be in 1 width. Close the bracket, hit enter. The moment you click over here, it has been extracted few data from here. What does it mean? If you come over here, if you say 1 to 7 till 294, right? Just because you have given the instruction to extract from 7. So it has been extracted from the 7, right? 389, and it has been extracted 7 data from the till down. If you calculate over here, 389, 857, 769, 317, 588, 100 and 900, exactly 7 data has been extracted, right? So we are using this formula along with the offset formula. The counter also count all the things and minus from the down, and it will calculate 0, whatever the things is there 0, and 7, last 7 point or last 7 data has been extracted and it is showing in 1 width. So we are using this formula. So I am copying this formula, you can write it for yourself. Once you copy, what you need to do, click anywhere in the Excel, then go to the formula over here, define name, and in name, before I am writing a name, I'm just pasting it over here, right? And in the name I am giving last underscore 7, and I need to press OK. What is the formula is? So automatically, just because I have inserted this one in prior, it has been showing. If I want to insert over here, how I exactly am going to insert over here, so I need to select, take an example to yellow, and I wanted to insert over here. Click over here, go to the insert line, and here data range, you need to write down the exact name you have given. If you remember, last underscore 7, and location range, this one, okay, and markers should be on, right? In that way it has been inserted. If you do some modifications, take an example, after that I am going to insert new 7 data, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and intentionally I am modifying the data so that you can see what is happening over here. 300, 100, 300, 100, 300, 100, 300. So it will create a zigzag form for us. So just because it is picking the data from the last 7, it is creating the zigzag form for us. In that way, it will extract the 7-day informations and create a sparkline for us in Microsoft Excel. Right? This is the formula equal to offset, and from where, this is the reference from where you want to start counting, right? Then counter options need to be added in that functions. If you copy these functions and save in a name over here, like we are done, we need to define a name. In define a name, like you need to start from a text first, right? Then you need to remember the name, and in the, like we have done over here, if you come over here and Excel data, you need to type the exact name you have given over here. Then wherever you want to insert, you need to give a location over here so that it will work for you. So it will extract the last 7-day data and creating a you can say a Sparklines for you. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.